AI is transforming our world, and it's not just sci-fi anymore. Welcome to the future. Today, we are unlocking the basics of artificial intelligence. AI is like teaching a computer to think and learn from experience. There are two main types: narrow AI, which is designed for specific tasks like speech recognition, and general AI, which aims to be as versatile as a human. So, how does it work? At the core, AI uses algorithms, a fancy word for step-by-step instructions, to analyze data and make decisions. Think of it like baking a cake with a very precise recipe. In the real world, AI powers everything, from virtual assistants to recommendation engines on your favorite streaming service. Exciting, right? Stick around and we'll dive deeper into its practical uses in our next video. See you there.